Are you charting your cycles and wondering how do you know if you have ovulated? Well, stick around because I'm going to be showing you a chart example so you can see what signs to look out for to know if you have ovulated. The first sign to look for to know if you have ovulated is a temperature spike, or also known as a temperature shift. So you can see here on cycle day 17, there was a slight temperature shift and then the temperatures remained high enough. You usually have to wait for the third or fourth high temperature to confirm ovulation, but that will depend on your chosen fertility awareness method on how you close the fertile window here. The reason why we can use our temperature to confirm ovulation is because once you ovulate and release the egg, your core temperature increases, and this is what we can capture when we take our temperature and see the increase on a chart. The second sign that we look for is our cervical mucus. So you can see on this chart, there was 3 days of menstruation and then there was no cervical mucus. By day 17, there was sticky mucus. Day 8, we had creamy mucus, and then it turned into a peak type quality mucus, such as egg white, stretchy, or wet type of cervical mucus. The way you would determine if you ovulated using cervical mucus is we need to identify our peak day. So you can see there's a little P here on cycle day 16, and this is because peak day is identified by looking for the last day of peak type quality cervical mucus, which it was day 16, followed by 3 days of lesser type quality cervical mucus. If you have the premium Tempdrop app, then this would automatically put the peak day in for you on the last day of your peak type cervical mucus. Otherwise, if you are switched over to manual mode, then you can interpret your chart yourself and put it in. To add peak day in manual mode, you would select the cycle day that you have identified and you would tick mark as peak day, that box there. Then once you return back to your chart, you will see the P123 count show up.